Hi everyone, good morning. Welcome to the live stream. All right, guys. So I'm going to start some analysis now. We're currently looking at the NAS100. So right now I'm just looking for structure and points of interest, really. On the 4 hour, we can see basically we're in an uptrend. See what the daily says. On the daily, we had basically a double top. We had this double top, and then the price had started moving down, but then we got some rejection on this area here. So right now, that's kind of one area that we want to look at, right about here. So we can see on the 4 hour price basically came down, tested this. It's kind of a significant area because we've had a lot of price movement on this area. So right now basically we're looking for maybe a break below or a continuation up. Price came down, tested, went back up. It didn't go all the way to this level, and then we had a sort of bearish engulfing candle that then sent price down. So if we go to the 1 hour, on the 1 hour I'm gonna place a Fibonacci tool here. This is our golden zone area right here, and as you can see, price did have some reaction on this level here. So ideally for a short, I might want to wait till price gets to this level again and then start pushing back down. So that's the idea for the short trade today. However, if we do get a breakout above this area, then I might look for a long. From a scalping perspective, I may also look at this level for an entry to go long up to that this golden zone area here. But that would be a very tight scalp, and we would have to wait for some good momentum to come in. It is about 10 minutes till market open, so right now things seem kind of just flat for now. So we'll just wait. Now, if price does continue to reject this area, we may look to go short again. And then if it breaks this area, then we may be in for kind of a longer term downtrend. And then in that case, we're looking at levels like maybe here. I don't like to draw out levels like too far back, but these are possible areas that we could see price potentially come down to, because if it does come here, then it's potentially doing that full double top move. So in that case, that would be a good position to hold up to this level. As you can see, it corresponds with some other key levels over here. Okay, so right now we're just gonna wait. I can see price starting to push up here. On the shorter term time frame here, we have kind of like just a little structure building on this trend line. So I'm gonna go into my MT5 to see if we have any possible movement here that we can get into. So this, if I were to go long after confirmation here, it would probably be like a 1 to 1.5 hour. So let's just wait a little bit more. It's just 7 minutes till the open, so it might not be worth doing anything at this point. In the meantime, I will be checking out some other pairs here. So we have GJ testing kind of a significant level right now. This was a very big move during the London session here. It's currently breaking that level. So we have another kind of area of interest here too. Yeah. I don't see anything. I wouldn't do anything with GJ at the moment. I'd wait for some kind of maybe another pullback, but with such an aggressive move, I don't know, we may see it move back up a significant one before continuation. So I don't think I would do anything here yet. All right, if we see a bounce on this area here where we have the trend line and kind of a pivot point, could look for a short. If we do get a breakout, then we could see something like so let's say we do get a breakout. actually, that's not it. Let's say we come back up, break out, maybe a retest to that level, and then something like this. So in that case, we would be looking for an entry around here, stop loss about here, and try to get all the way back up here. So it's a 1 to 4 R, if we can get that move. So we'll just keep an eye on this. Alternative, like if it breaks down here, like it's just gone way too far for me to look for an entry right now. So that would have to wait. Let's see what gold is doing. Okay, just about 4 minutes for the market to open. Let's see gold. I would say gold might be looking for kind of a breakout to go up. So for gold, if we're looking for a long, I would wait for a break of this area. Look for some kind of action on this level here for something like that. It could even overextend into this area here. So I'll be looking for some kind of movement on this level. If it does break back down into the downtrend, or if it just rejects this area and come down, then we might be looking for a short off of this level. But for now, that's kind of the longer term outlook for gold. So we have some time left here. We got about 2 minutes before the open. So let's say we would be looking for a movement from here. I mean, if gold does rally out of that area, then this would be one area to take profit. And this would be the ultimate level that I'd be looking for. So another like 1 to 4 R. Okay guys, so we've had market open. Looking at NAS right now. Just gonna wait for NAS to close. This 5-minute candle. Just waiting for confirmation before an entry here. So just a minute and 10 seconds to go. So I just have my order window set up and ready to go. So as soon as the signal, as soon as I get confirmation, I'll be entering and see how this goes. Okay, so we had the 5-minute close. I'm just waiting now for some confirmation again. Okay. Okay, now if we do get a rejection and a break below, I may be looking for that short from this area. And if we do go short, stop loss is going to be around this area here. I'll be targeting, I'll probably see it this low for now. Let's just see what US30 is up to. Wow, this one had a better move. Yep, it's rallying. Hoping for the same thing with NAS. Okay, might be looking for our entry soon. Let's see. Still nothing yet. Looks like it's just consolidating right now. All right, let's see. I'm basically waiting for a nice momentum candle here going up. Still nothing yet. So it's kind of rejecting this bottom of that golden zone area. I'm not confident in a short yet. My bias is still long for now. It's just a waiting game right now. Stream slow today. Who do we have on the live stream? Say hello. Alright, this is looking nice for a short. If we could get a nice close below this area here. Alright, that's looking good. I'm gonna start selling here. I was hoping for another entry, but let's see. If I can get another entry here, I'm gonna reduce my stop loss to about this level here, 15,076. Okay, I got another entry, so I'm gonna reduce my risk a little bit. And for this entry, so my first entry, I'm gonna reduce the TP a little bit. Now that we have two, I can set up my targets a little bit different, hopefully better. Okay, so that's what I'm looking for right now. And I will start trailing these stops if price can get close to the bottom here, so that we can basically secure the trade. So I'm gonna set up my trailing stops. Okay, and now I'm just gonna update the Telegram group with the new levels for stop loss and take profit. Now, if we get too strong of a pullback, I may cut the trade short as well. Just need to be careful so that we don't lose too much. This is why it's good to join the live stream, because I'm a very dynamic trader. Like for example, if we do get a close of this 5-minute candle, I may end up breaking, like moving to break even. I mean, if we get a good close of 5. Just because this is still market open time, so we could get big swings like these. It's easy for that to happen, especially with NAS. Ooh, US30 is still rallying. That could be a sign that this is just kind of a fake out on the downside, so we got to be very careful with this and just manage it. Like that was a okay 5-minute candle, but I don't like that there's a big wick on the bottom here either. So this trade will start trailing around this level here. Okay, I'm gonna reduce my risk a little bit more. This way, if we get a strong like pullback, at least we don't lose as much. Last week wasn't that great of a week, but the way I trade, within like 1 or 2 trades, I could recover any losses that I made, previous days or even the full week. So that's why I trade like NAS and US30, because once you understand price movement with these assets, it's fairly easy to trade. And the movements are huge at times. Like this is a perfect example today. And you have to be dynamic with it too. A lot of people, they have a bias for the day or the week or whatever, and they tend to just go with that. For example, you're only looking for shorts or longs. While I do agree with this for like swing trading and longer term trading, for day trading, you just kind of have to go with the flow. Okay, so we're getting close to where price is going to get to break even here for me. I'm just updating the Telegram group with the new stop loss that I moved there. Okay, so one of my stop loss already triggered. Let's see here. Why is the other one not moving? Okay, it moved. Now the other thing to watch with NAS, sometimes you define your stop loss and you take profit, but it may not get to your take profit, right? This could be a liquidity grab to go up, right? It's coming to test this area, but it may not break through that area. So that's why I said, like, the way I trade is dynamic, is because I'm looking for signs of reversal. And if I do see it, I'll just cut the trade. It's better to walk away with some money than none. So right now, we had a rejection off of this level here. And this is kind of within that area too. So if we see price basically break back, let's say above here, then I would be looking to close this trade. So I'd go down to like a 5 minute and look for a reversal signal here. The ATR is really high right now too, so if price does kind of push back up, it could easily get back to the entry here, and that entry is a good kind of retest area. So alright, so TP1 just got hit. Okay, so now this is kind of a critical moment because this area is a bit more important. If we go out a little bit, right there's been tests of this level here. This is why I end up with a lot of lines and shit on my charts, because I'm always kind of analyzing price movement against these levels. So the other level now that I'm gonna be looking for a breakout of is this level here. So if price does break back above here, then I may look to close. So it's kind of just a trailing level that I'm looking at. Once I'm in the trade, I do like to look at movement on sort of a clean chart instead of an indicator based chart. Sorry, my kids are being very loud today. It's summer break, so they're home. So there's a lot of noise in the background. Sorry about that. Alright, so the stop loss is kind of right within that golden zone. But the way I see NAS moving sometimes is once you get a break back above this 23, and that kind of coincides with this area here too. Once I get a break back above here, I may close because there's a good chance it's going to come all the way back to entry. And since the stop loss is already in profit, you know, I don't want to put it back above here and be in a loss. So all right, so that's a good sign that things may turn around. Let's see if that continues. So I just have my finger on the button to close this trade if it does start rallying up. And if it does give us a good rejection on this level, I may also be looking to go long, right? Like right now, that's a pretty good rejection right there. So I'm out. And then let's see what happens next here. So today I'm gonna have to cut the live stream short. I have another meeting at around 11, so. All right, so if we do get a bullish engulfing here on the 10-minute, then that could be a good sign that things are turning around. The other reason I'm thinking it could go up is also because of this rally that we've seen here with US30, because these two can move in very similar ways. US30 is just experiencing a rejection in this area, but it doesn't mean it's done. It could still be going up. So just 5 minutes to close this candle, and it's looking really good. So what I normally try to do is on the 1 minute, I wait for kind of a pullback here. And then if I get another confirmation of a bullish move, then I'm getting in on the long. Last week was kind of a losing streak for a couple of days, so it'd be good to get back in the winning momentum. So I'm just gonna get prepared to take a long here. Stop loss is probably gonna be about 14,960, and take profit. Gonna aim for this area here, 15,107. Okay, so we're getting some good movement here. The only thing I'm a little worried about is that we are still in this kind of a zone here. So I want to break and close above this area. Last week that was part of my problem. I wouldn't wait for that close sometimes. I was just being very trigger happy. That's why it's good to journal. I can reflect back and kind of see what I was doing wrong and just try to correct it. I really want to pull back here first though. Okay, doesn't look like we're gonna get that. Let's wait for this candle to close. This could be the rejection. No. Okay, I'm in for a long. will try to get another entry. But if I don't get it, that's fine. So it's basically a kind of a 1 to 2 almost. Now there's a critical point of this trade. We need really good momentum to break through this area. If we can get that, then the trade is mostly safe. And especially if we can get a 15-minute bullish engulfing. If we do get that and a break above this area, I may be pushing my TP much higher than it currently is. Probably around this area here. So that is the idea. Okay, so there, like I was saying, if you get a break above the 23 Fibonacci level here and aggressive move up, there's a good chance it breaks through the golden zone and continues up even to the 100%, and that's exactly what happened here. So it's a kind of a high probability move, but I just like to wait a little bit for just more confirmation, and just the way price was moving at the time, it wasn't good for me. So then finally I got the confirmation here once we broke these other areas. Even here would have been a good entry, but we didn't get the close till up here, so. So if I get a good bullish close of the on the 5-minute here, I'm gonna reduce my risk probably about 50% of what it is. Just gotta watch all these levels here. Right now it's testing kind of a significant area. 15-minute candle has about 3 minutes to go, so we probably want to hold until that 15 minutes is closed, because that'll give us a good indication of what's really going to happen here. Stream is dead today, guys. Just a minute and 40 seconds to go. Now, one thing I always say on my stream is between 10:30, 10:15 and like 10:45, we normally get kind of a confirmation of the big move for the day. So I am hoping that I'm on the right side of this, because if that's the case, then like I said, I'm gonna try to extend my TP a little bit more. So just a minute to go to close the 15-minute candle here. Now once we get a bullish close, there is a good chance it's gonna pull back a little bit, and if it does, I will keep holding and look for another entry. Just 35 seconds to go. So it would be nice to get a nice bullish 5-minute close there as well. Let's see. Okay, that was a decent candle. Yeah. Let's see what happens here. Hoping for kind of a rally after maybe a little pullback here first. So in theory, we could get a pullback up to about this level, if it does decide to do this. So for the stream here, I'm gonna be just on for another 5-10 minutes, and then I'll have to cut the stream to get to a meeting. But if you're on my Telegram channel, you'll see all the updates there. And for people that might be watching the stream after the fact, I have a free Telegram channel you can join from the link in the description, and from there you can get into the public group as well, and in the near future I'll be offering kind of a VIP channel where I teach my strategy and just do some coaching and help people pass their funded challenges and things like that. So there's a lot of stuff coming up in the near future for what I'm doing, so please join. There'll be a ton of resources coming up. Also, please subscribe and like the video. It really helps, and it gives me some confidence to continue doing what I do. The other alternative here with this move is that it goes flat for like a couple hours or so. So that's just something else to keep in mind. So yeah, like I was saying, we could see a pullback up to even this golden zone area here. If that does happen, I will be looking for signal for a new long entry. Right now I don't want to add another entry at this level because there's a good chance we could pull all the way back here. But what I like to do is if I take another entry, then I'm reducing my risk as well by moving my stop loss closer up. So right now this isn't a good entry for me if I'm to re-enter. However, if people are still looking for entries, I would say if we do break above here, it could be another entry. All right, so we have price breaking up now. So I have to leave. I gotta get to a meeting. So for now, I'm gonna end the stream. It was pretty dull today. Not many people came on. Kind of discouraging. So anyway, thanks everybody for whoever came in. And thanks for anybody that's gonna watch the video in the future. Please subscribe and like the video. It'll help with boosting my presence on YouTube and sort of give me confidence to keep doing this again. And also just a reminder that I do have a Telegram channel where I give free signals and analysis, and there will be a lot of stuff coming up there, so please check the description for the link, and feel free to join. I will be back online tomorrow with my live stream, so try to join if you can. That's where you get the best entries when it's live, because it's almost instant. So anyway, thanks again for everyone watching the stream and the video, and I have a great day. I'll see you guys tomorrow.